Hi, I'm Glenn Thacker.
I've built a pretty simple alarm that could be used in all sorts of applications. If we replace the variable resistor with a photoresistor or a thermoresistor, any other device that would add a variable resistance, say you could detect fires, or say if somebody walked in front of the photoresistor so you know someone was there. I've created this circuit using a 555 timer, piezo buzzer. We have a 2N222 transistor, the variable resistance, and between pins 7 and 8 I have a 100K resistor. Between 6 and 7 I have a 1K resistor. Between my positive and the trigger, I have a 47K ohm resistor that is connected to the collector of the transistor. Then finally another 1K ohm resistor over here, kind of smooth out the edges. And right at the moment it's turned off, so we have 1 million K resistance that's preventing any of the alarm to go through. At the moment it's in the off position, using 1 million K ohm resistance, but if I lessen that resistance, there's a very loud and annoying buzzer, which is fun because I can build a toy for my son, put it in there, and he has a fire alarm. And the 555 timer IC chip has been configured in astable mode so that the alarm can produce an oscillating sound by using a square wave. The capacitor charges through R1 and R2 until 2/3 VCC, and then it discharges through R2 until it reaches 1/3 VCC. During the charging time, out pin 3 of 555 remains high, and during discharging it remains low, and that's how it oscillates. So when the timer is high, that's when we hear our beep. So we know that resistors 1 and 2 take care of the charge and discharge function of the timer. Resistor 3 drops our Q down to 0.07 so that we can turn on our transistor at the base. In the on position, the collector dumps the Q into the emitter and allows our charge to pass through. And this is where we would make the decision whether to use our variable resistor, photoresistor, or a thermoresistor. And then that resistance is what would either stop or start our buzzer at a certain resistance. Because in this instance, I was originally trying for a heat detector so that when it got too hot in the room, it would throw off an alarm and let my girlfriend know to turn on the air conditioning. Unfortunately, though, my thermoresistor is damaged. This was a really cool project because I've learned what a transistor can do, and I've learned what a 555 chip can do, and it's fun to play with the functions of those. But what I'm really trying to learn is how to use these components in conjunction with another, and this was a pretty good education in that for me. So, thank you.